Abstract. Green packaging, also called sustainable packaging, uses materials and manufacturing techniques to lessen energy use and reduce the harmful impacts of packaging on the environment. Green packaging include biodegradable and recyclable materials such as plastic, cardboards, papers, and fabrics. Our project mainly about egg trays made from paper and cardboard pulp, flour, salt, corn flour, and seeds. Our goals is to create a sustainable packaging that can be planted after being used, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, and replant.
Cardboard is one of the most commonly used materials for baking electronics and food. Cardboard can be recycled. Recycling cardboard helps reduce solid waste and reduce the amount of waste going to the landfill. However, not recycling cardboard has negative effects. It ends up in landfill. Although the cardboard is made of paper, this product creates a lot of weight and takes up a lot of space. And since it's used large amount for packaging, it is found everywhere and can make up a large proportion of household waste. Imagine the amount of landfill space it would take up if it is not recycled. If you don't recycle cardboard, then the number of trees that need to be felled increases. This leads to the destruction of the surrounding habitat and wildlife too. In this work, a green packaging of egg tray is produced from paper pulp, cardboard, flour, water, corn flour, and seeds. Our aim is to create a sustainable packaging that can be planted after being used, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, and replant.
Objective: to create an alternative form of egg tray that can reduce the usage of papers, which can also reduce the negative impact that it brought to the environment. To create a sustainable packaging that can be planned after being used, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, and replant.
Since cardboard is biodegradable, it produces methane, the greenhouse gas, as it breaks down. If you don't recycle cardboard, then it will end up in landfill and increase the amount of methane that is released into the atmosphere. As a result, it will take up unnecessary space and contribute to global warming as well. Therefore, it is important to reuse and recycle cardboards, paper, and so on. Our aim is to create a sustainable packaging that can be planted after being used, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, and replant. Not only for egg tray, this project is suitable for any kind of packaging. To make egg tray, we need paper, cardboards, flour, salt, corn flour, water, and seeds. The helpful tools are spatula, mold, bowl, and pot. First, set the papers and cardboard into tiny pieces and put them in a large bowl. Add just enough hot water to completely cover them. Let them soak for several hours. Once you are happy with how smooth your mixture is, add a couple of teaspoons of salt to help retard mold. Knead it again to mix all the salt in. Once it is well mixed, squeeze out any excess water. Now, add a few tablespoons of flour and corn flour and mix well again. Lastly, add a little bit of any vegetable seed. Your pulp should now be ready to use. You can now use your paper pulp and molder to make the egg tray. Let it dry for 3 days.
Advantage and disadvantage. In general, the advantages are: first, reduce the amount of methane in the atmosphere. Since cardboard is biodegradable, it produces methane, the greenhouse gas, as it breaks down. If you don't recycle cardboard, then it will end up in landfill and increase the amount of methane that it releases into the atmosphere, thus contribute to global warming as well. The presence of methane in our atmosphere is dangerous, and cardboard recycling is one of the best ways to make sure that its amount is reduced. Second, save space in landfills. Recycling paper and cardboard saves space in landfills for waste that cannot be recycled, and saving space in landfills reduces the need to build more landfills. Third, save energy and water. Making recycled paper pulp compared to generating pulp from trees and other plants to make new paper products consume less energy and water. Disadvantage: high upfront capital cost. Recycling is not always cost effective. Building up a new waste recycling unit takes up a lot of capital. The accompanying costs include buying different kinds of utility vehicles, upgrading the recycling unit, waste, chemical disposal, and schooling the locals by initiating useful programs and seminars. Last but not least, the significance of our project. Our green packaging can replace conventional cardboard, food packaging, paper plates, cups, storage containers, or other plastic composite material items, and therefore can help in making environment sustainable. The significance of our green packaging, it can be planned instead of throwing them, which is to reduce, reuse, recycle, and replenish, all of which enhance the long-run sustainability.